How to fix live option missing on TikTok. If the live option is missing on TikTok, it could be due to several reasons. And here is how to get to know it and fix it. First of all, open the TikTok app or a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. There, once you tap on the plus icon, you will get to see this option available, camera option. There, if you slide it, then you will get to see live option again. If you don't have this, then it might be because of TikTok specific requirements, such as you must be at least 16 years old to go live. You need at least 1,000 followers to unlock the live features and many more. Now, if you do not know what requirements you don't meet for live, to not work on a TikTok, then simply go back to the profile again. Now here tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner. Then tap on the settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on the report a problem option available there. Now scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see chat with us. Tap on it. Now in the chat with us, ask the bot that you cannot view your live or you want your live. So here you can see the bot will reply you the requirements or criteria you don't meet for live and the fixations you can do. As you can see, mine is due to the followers. If my followers reach to the 1000, then I can surely get my live features. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.